I'm often asked what good design means to me. Well, to me, good design is invisible. It blends in seamlessly within a space, creating an environment which is very natural and intuitive. Recently, I came across a brand that ticks every box of mine. The Vox Interiors range of fronto slat panels are so hassle-free and easy to use. They're super lightweight and come fully finished and can be seamlessly installed with a clever click system. They're also designed to be weather-resistant and can be used in outdoor spaces just as beautifully as they can indoors. So whether you want to spruce up your living room or create a cozy yet stylish outdoor seating, they're the perfect solution. This one's a personal favorite. Apart from the aesthetics, what makes these panels a winner in my opinion is their natural wood-like colors and textures. Addition of wood in a space makes it warm and cozy, and that's exactly what these panels provide. Vox to me personifies good design in every way, and I'd recommend that you experience it for yourself.